Let's look at the bottom 3 examples on your paper. Those are complex fractions. You have a fraction and a fraction, which really is the same as a division problem when you have a fraction and a fraction. It's just that instead of being written vertically, it's, I'm sorry, horizontally. They have the fractions stacked on top of each other. So you could write it horizontally, a squared over a squared minus 25 b squared divided by a over 5b minus a. Okay, that's the other way you could write it. So when you divide a fraction by a fraction, you flip the second fraction and change it to multiplication. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and factor this difference of 2 squares. So that's going to factor to a pair of conjugates, a minus 5b and a plus 5b. Change that sign to multiplication, and 5b minus a is going to be in the numerator. A is going to be in the denominator. So I have factors of a that I can reduce out diagonally. And I'm going to have just a to the first power left in the numerator. And this 5b minus a and a minus 5b, they're almost identical. I just need to factor a negative out of one of them. So I'm going to factor the negative out of the numerator in the second fraction. That's going to be a negative a minus 5b. Okay. So now the a minus 5b's are going to reduce out. And I'm left with negative a over a plus 5b. Any questions? Okay, let's do one more. Let's do number 11. You guys go ahead and do it at your desk, and I'll do it up here. Then you can start on your assignment.